Okay, we have here a Kawasaki Z400, possibly from the 70s, possibly from the 80s, but let's see if we could get it running. So wiring is all to hell. Yummy, look at all this spaghetti junction, great. So what we're going to do is bypass all that. And all we're going to do is grab this battery, or any battery, and connect it to this wire, which is connected to the coil, and we'll earth it someplace else. And we'll see if we could get spark. We'll open this cover, have a nosy to see if there's spark in it. Check the plugs, see if they got spark. Fill this full of fuel and kick it over, because it's only got a kickstart. And we don't care about lights or anything like that just now, we just want to see if it'll run. Stay tuned. Carb sliders do actually move up and down, which is a good sign. Other side. Yeah, good sign there. And we do have fuel, we do have oil, and just check it. Right hand spark plug. Oh, we've got little sparks on the right hand spark plug. Left hand spark plug. Oh, sparky spark spark. It's alive! It's alive!